Good morning everyone. My name is Chaitanya Pratap Rudre. I am from class 8th A. Today we are going to discuss about medieval Indian history from 1206 to 1799. 1206 Establishment of Delhi Sultanate. The Delhi Sultanate was established on 1206. Qutbuddin Aibak becomes its first ruler. It marked the beginning of Muslim rule in North India. The Delhi becomes the center of administration.
Establishment of Mewar Kingdom. The Mewar Kingdom was re-established in 1326. Rana Hammir played an important role in its revival. Mewar emerged as strong Rajput state. It resisted foreign invasions. Establishment of Vijayanagara Empire. The Vijayanagara Empire was founded in 1336. Haryana and Bukka founded the empire. It became a major power in South India. The capital was Vijayanagara Empire.
Established of Bahmani Sultanate. The Bahmani Sultanate was founded in 1346. Alauddin Bahmani Sheikh was its founder. It was the first independent Muslim kingdom in the Deccan. Gulbarga became its capital.
In 1398, Timur attacks Delhi. Timur invited in India 1398. He attacks and loot in Delhi. The invention of caused great decision. Its weakened Delhi Sultanate.
The First Battle of Panipat. The First Battle of Panipat found in 1526. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Mughal Empire was established. Thank you.
The Second Battle of Panipat. The Second Battle of Panipat that took place in 1556. The Akbar forces defeated the Mughal Empire was strengthened.
In 1565, the Battle of Talikota. The Battle of Talikota was fought in 1565. The Vijayanagara Empire was defeated. The city of Vijayanagara was destroyed. The empire power declined rapidly.
1754 beginning of Maratha control of Delhi. First point, the Marathas gained control over Delhi in 1754. Second point, their influence in North India increased. Third point, they became a major political power. Fourth point, Delhi came under Marathas protection.
The establishment of Sikh Empire. First, Maharaja Ranjit Singh established the Sikh Empire in 1799. Third, the empire expanded across Punjab. Fourth, it became a strong regional power.